Howdy. So today is Boys Day. Before today's venture ensues, I had a really cool night last night. I got to meet one of my heroes and favorite musicians, Gregory Alan Isakov. I got backstage to his show, met him at the band, got to take pictures, and it was sick. Super nice dude. We just talked about photography, his farm, his sheep, and yeah, it was a brilliant time. I really liked the pictures that came out of it, and I really hope to run into him again soon enough. So, also he said he watched a few of the vlogs, so Gregory, if you're watching this, sup? Boys Day! Aye. Hey.
I just wish I was a lot cooler than I am. Is that rolling?
Yeah, it's rolling. This is Caleb. You've been on the vlog before.
Yeah.
Caleb in a bush.
I'm a veteran. Yeah, Caleb in a bush. Follow me. I never post, but it's pretty cool.
Wow. Dude, shameless.
You are a salesman. This is my best friend, Scotty. Hi, thanks.
This is just Caleb.
Yeah.
This is my best friend.
Hey, Scotty, how's it going? It's going great. I'm driving right now, so I'm kind of paying attention to the road. Hopefully we don't die.
Yeah, thanks for driving.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
All right, we're going.
Chip. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Boys Day!
I have a shy bladder.
You do?
There we go.
Scott.
Hiking up to the hot springs. Looks like a couple of blokes are already there. Gonna be a party. Caleb, I have one question.
Yeah.
What are those? But seriously. Nice. Hiking in the Berks?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, that's how we do.
Yo. Is this the revival of Caleb in a bush?
Caleb in the bush getting resurrected. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretend like the camera's not that far.
Halfway or so.
Halfway.
A little less than that, yeah.
Feeling it. I've not hiked in a while. How you boys doing?
I'm doing this all day. No, I'm bad.
I'll answer in a minute.
All right. There's your answer right there. You're gonna post really consistently for like 3 days and then you're gonna silence for like 6 months?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah.
That's my brand. It's my trademark.
That's my brand. Killing it.
Why is hiking so fun? And yet so hard.
Remember when you used to not hike?
Remember when I used to be like 300 pounds?
And look at you now.
Coming in at a whopping 199.
Dude.
That's all from one hike.
Yeah. Scott Dott's fitness program.
Not taking memberships, $600 a month. First and last payment due.
Sign me up. All right, last switchback. There's probably people there because the car was down there, so I'm probably just gonna shut off the camera until they leave. Deuces.
Deuces. We're almost there.
You're supposed to say deuces.
Oh, deuces.
A lot of good traction.
Yeah, traction, waterproofing.
Yeah, have a good one.
Like sunrise.
All right, so that was the group that was just there, and they just left right when we pulled up, so.
There we go.
Perfect timing. How's it feel? All right, Scotty, cannonball!
Our life. Hotter, colder?
They're pretty similar, honestly. So, one time I was here with my friend Megan, and I had this photo, and Caleb actually brought up the idea that we should recreate it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Okay, rotate a little bit so your profile to me.
Oh,
Other way, yeah.
I don't know.
Like
Profile.
That's pretty accurate.
It looks the same. Right?
Yeah. Are you Megan? All right, now do Caleb's version. That's amazing. Smile for Grandma's fridge. Caleb, what are we? What are you starting soon?
Caleb in the tub. Subscribe, follow, like, Venmo. What do you need to? It's gonna be this tub and my bathroom.
You heard it here. Go Venmo. I don't think anyone ever asked for Venmo just straight up like that.
Hey, I'm Caleb's stomach and I'm single.
I don't have to put that in the vlog if you don't want me to.
Oh yeah, my full permission. There's always the off chance it works.
Scotty, how you enjoying this time?
Super good. So like we got in, I hadn't eaten today.
Yeah.
And so hike up here and I sit in this warm tub and then I stand up. Whoa. Super dizzy. And then I ate a protein bar.
You feeling good?
I feel amazing. I feel stellar.
Thanks.
I feel good.
Nice. Glad to hear. How's it going?
I like it.
If you could be any type of bird, what kind of bird would you be?
I'd be a fox.
Good job.
I'd be a Zapdos.
Yes. Dang it, you just won.
What would you be?
Oh, an ostrich.
An ostrich?
Yeah,
I can see it.
Can they be extinct? Because a pterodactyl would be cool.
Yeah.
He makes good vlog quality.
Ready, set, action. How was the hot spring?
So good.
Sick.
Yeah, I'm the best there ever was.
Dang.
Or the worst.
Who's to say? Good boys' day today.
Yeah, spa day.
Boys Day.
There was a couple that came up, so we wanted this picture and we couldn't get it, but we'll just have to make do. And wow, this is a beautiful view for it.
Oh my gosh, I gotta take a picture.
Wow.
You got us, Scott?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, cool. This looks like a perfect spot for the photo, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Boys' day.
Boys Day. Boys Day.
Always important to have a good boys' day once in a while. Right, boys?
Yeah.
Yep. This is so sick. Boys,
Yeah.
it's been good.
Great Boys Day.
Boys' day on 3.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Boys' day! Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hands up, playing my song. Now I gotta be okay. Yeah!